So people was talking about me. Oh yeah, boom, boom, boom. Now you writing a check for me. So now, like, what happened?
So as and since you bring that up and everything like that, so how was your support system growing up? Was your family supporting you and everything as far as your career? Or they was like, what the hell you got going on, man? Go to school.
They was.
Like,
the only person that really supported me was my dad.
Word?
Yeah, my father. Like I had my father in my life my whole life. My dad was home.
You know, especially for us black men. You know.
I had my dad in my life. We didn't see eye to eye when I turned like 18 and shit like that. We had a little, you know what I'm saying, a little beef or whatever, but nothing too major where like alter our relationship or like fuck them or anything like But you know, once you get older, you get 18, you feeling like you're
the
man.
testosterone.
You know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying? I ain't really want to be told what to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm 18. I'm cool. Like once you hear you 18, you grown. But at the end of the day, I appreciate having my dad, you know what I'm saying, because he showed me a lot of things in life that money can't buy. You feel what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, it's good that, because I'm a father now, so
you understand.
Yeah, I understand.
Right.
I understand now, so I understand what he was doing, what he was saying, why I got my ass whooped or whatever. You know, because my kids, I don't do nothing to my kids. I don't put my hands on my kids, but you know, at the end of the day, you got to chastise them and tell them what not to do, because this world is so cruel and this world is so fucked up. And I got 2 boys and a daughter. So my daughter, I just be like, bro, like.
Yeah, you got to have that extra layer of protection.
Yeah, extra layer. Like when my boys, you know, like when my daughter, I'm walking her. My boys, get up. You got to walk. You know what I'm saying? Because a man in this world today, bro, look how we grew up, bro. Like, and then it's going to get worse. Yeah, it's worse now.
Especially this day and age.
It's worse, bro. It's worse. Right. So my sons, I got to show them, like, a little tough love. Like, not if it's not a lot, a little bit. You know?
Just as they could get a little exposure of what the world they're going to face in the world, pretty much.
At the end of the day, Wes, you have the money. Not saying your son don't have the money. You have the money. He doesn't. I tell my kids this, but they do. But you know, you gotta
instill that in their head. Right.
Just because Fat Boy SNC your dad doesn't mean people gonna take it easy on you. They probably gonna give it to you worse.
And you know why? Because this word is hanging around in society a lot. Entitlement. You feel me?
So just because West owns, respect the blueprint, that doesn't mean
you're entitled to.
They gonna be like, oh, you a son? Oh, well, so. Like, you know, and then come back to you be like, bro, why you cheat? Now it's you get what I'm saying,
exactly
bro?
What you're saying. You know,
you get what I'm saying? Is so you gotta tell I tell my kids you gotta have thick skin, because some people may don't like me, but they ain't gonna tell me in my face, but they might take it out on you once you get older, or you in their face.
Right.
You get what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
You know, so that's how it go in the world. So I tell them, like, bro, if somebody ever like try to you know how to handle it.
Right, be able to build that tough skin.
That tough skin, because some kids be like, I'm telling my dad, and be like, nah, fuck you. I don't need you. I do this shit myself. I don't need my dad. I do this shit. This me. I take on with my dad. You know what I'm saying? Like that's how I want to have my. That's how I'm gonna have my kids.
So your dad was that strong support system that was really there. I'm assuming your mom really was kind of like.
My mom was always in my life, and she did everything in her power to do for me. Work, good Christmases, all that shit. Right.
Right.
And I love my mother to death. You know what I'm saying? And she always supported me. To what I'm doing. Her name Mama Fats when she go through. When she come through.
Shout out Mama Fats.
When she come through, her name Mama Fats. You know, but she was the one, she was telling me, like, you gotta have a plan B, get a job.
Because she's obviously trying to look out the best for you.
Yeah, look out the best. So that's what it was. I never took it like my mom didn't support me. But I had other family members who was like, what the fuck is he doing?
Hating on you, just straight.
You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck is he doing? Like, why is he, like, I had like family member, you know what I'm saying, see me before all this shit going on, trying not to say nothing to me, not talk to me, but as soon as this shit pop up, oh, hey, nephew, I love you.